Hey gorgeous, welcome to the blog number 2. This is where we're going to take a behind the scenes look at the creation of the book, Be More Wolf, and what it is that I have been up to on this journey during the week. I have to confess I had one of those weeks where I just thought, I haven't really achieved that much. But when you start to get under the skin of it, peel the layers away, I was pleasantly surprised with how much I have actually achieved. So let's get going. I've got my notes here. Okay, so what have I been focused in on? What I've done and I found very useful, very helpful, is that I have created a file in my Google Drive, and within that file I have created a document. Now the document, so the first step was I mapped out all of the different chapters onto sticky notes, moved things around, got things in the order that it is that I wanted to get them in. So next, of course, you have to write the content. The hard bit, the content. So what I've done now is I've created a Word document in Google. On that document, what I've done is I've got the different headings of the chapters, and then underneath the headings of the chapters, I've got the sections it is that I want to focus in writing on. So I've got all of this, all of the book outline structured into a Google document. And then what I've done is I've created individual documents for each section. So I can put in my research, I can write that chapter, that segment. And what I've done is I've taken the link and I've copied and pasted that into the main document. So I have a central document that I can use when I want to dip into different chapters of the book quickly. It also means as well that when an editor comes to go through the book, and I don't know what they do, I don't know what editors do, but bring it all together, spell check it. It's definitely going to need spell checking, considering I am dyslexic. It's going to need someone who is used to working with a dyslexic and how they write and how they think and how they process. So yeah, so everything is nicely set up so I can work on all of the different sections and find things easily, because there's nothing worse than having a ton of WordPress documents and not being able to connect them together. Sometimes things can be a little bit too disconnected. So this is a great way of organizing the production of a book, bringing it together, getting all your thoughts together. So that's the first thing that I have worked on, is structuring the outline of the book, creating that Google document, linking all of the other documents it is that I am creating and linking that into the main document. Brilliant, brilliant way to work. I might use it actually in other ways that I work as well, now that it's the first time I've done it and discovered it. Brilliant.